Today I'm talking to you about this stuff. 85 GVTOs, Scottish countryside here in Ayrshire. As if we weren't busy enough, we now need to get this drone out this tree. Good morning sheep fans, Cammie's the name, sheep's the game. Today I'm talking to you about this stuff. Grass. This time of year, into the end of November, grass is getting scarce. We've still got 3-4 months before we start getting some growth back again. So it's all about pacing yourself, being strategic with your sheep to make sure you have enough grass to last you through the winter. I think I'm bad from this channel is I never tell you guys to click the subscribe button. So if you're watching this, if you're new to the channel, watch a couple of videos, see what you think, or just click subscribe just now. Ring the little bell, you'll get a notification whenever I post a video twice a week. We're going for Wednesdays and Saturdays just now. That may change in the future. Still trying to find out the best time to post videos. But if you're into sheep, you're into farming, you're into having a laugh, click subscribe. Follow me on this journey that we're on just now. Try to build up a sheep farming business and potentially buy my own farm one day. That's the plan. And I appreciate all the support for you guys that have already subscribed. So I was saying, grass. Trying to pace ourselves with grass. So our job today is, I have 85 GVTOs that are running with the Blueface Leicester Ram just now. They're on a bare bit, and I'm going to shift them on to this nice green bit, and they will love it. We're going for a fair bit of music and drone footage in this one, just because I think there's some nice shots to get. And a lot of you guys like watching the dogs working and watching the sheep running and seeing the Scottish countryside here in Ayrshire. First of all, I'm just going to show you this aerial drone shot looking direct above the two pieces of land that I'm shifting the sheep from. You'll see on the right hand side it's clearly a lot sort of browner, yellower looking, that's been romped down and well grazed. On the left there, that's a bit of grass that's been left bare now for around about 2 months. So it's a real good regrowth of grass, really freshened up, and the ewes will enjoy this nice sweet bite, and hopefully that will carry them for another month to 6 weeks. So let's just get them across that road.
Sober men and plenty, drunkards barely 20. There are men of over 90 who have never yet kissed a girl, but give me a rambling over frae Orkney down to Dover. We'll roam the country over and together we'll face the world. I have roamed through all the nations, in delight of all creations, enjoyed a wee sensation when the company did prove kind. But when parting was no pleasure, I've drunk another measure to the good friends that we treasure, for they always are in our minds. Oh, there's sober men and plenty, drunkards barely 20. There are men of over 90 who have never yet kissed a girl, but give me a rambling over frae Orkney down to Dover. We'll roam the country over and together we'll face the world. Many that feel enjoyment from merciless employment, their ambition resist deployment from the minute they left the school. They save and scrape and ponder while the rest go out to squander. See the road and roam and wander, and they're happier as a rule. There's sober men and plenty, drunkards barely 20. There are men of over 90 who have never yet kissed a girl. Give me a rambling over frae Orkney down to Dover. We'll roam the country over and together we'll face the world. If you're bangry arthritis, your bowels have got colitis, you've galloping bronchitis, and you're thinking it's time you died. You've been a man of action, no, you're lying there in traction. You may get some satisfaction thinking Jesus at least to try. Oh, there's sober men and plenty, and drunkards barely 20. There are men of over 90 who have never yet kissed a girl. Give me a rambling over frae Orkney down to Dover. We'll roam the country over and together we'll face the world. There's sober men and plenty, drunkards barely 20. There are men of over 90 who have never yet kissed a girl. Give me a rambling over frae Orkney down to Dover. We'll roam the country over and together we'll face the
So as you saw from that little bit of footage there, we had an accident. The drone got stuck. So now we need, as if we weren't busy enough, we now need to get this drone out this tree without anyone getting hurt.
Why are you going this one here?
Eh?
Go across.
Oh, I'm not a bloody monkey. I've not got my wellies on.
You've got arms like a monkey.
That's true. Hang on. Got a better idea. Where is it? Trying to catch it's a hard thing.
You're too scared.
No, I'm not wanting to break it. Oh, what a throw that would have been if it's done it. You want to just whack that branch? Good catch though. Hope you caught that on camera. Some laugh, eh? Bet it still works perfect as well. Let's get back to it. So that's the sheep across the road here. As you can see in the footage there, they're loving it. Fresh bite, heads down, straight into it. They'll really be enjoying that fresh bite they're getting here. This piece of ground actually here, quite a little bit of sentimental value to this ground as well. It's all just rented ground that I've got. People often ask me how much land I own. I own absolutely nothing. Everything is rented. So it makes it very hard to make money from sheep, but it can be done. And obviously I subsidise it a lot with shearing to make it look like I'm making money, but it's not about that, it's about the lifestyle. That's what we're doing it for. So I was saying, there's a sort of sentimental bit to this ground, because where I'm standing just now is only about 150, 200 metres away from where my dad is actually buried. So it's quite nice that it's right next to where he is. And you can, as you can see from these shots here, there's this lovely church, the Dunlop Kirk here, and the graveyard behind it. Don't want to fly over the graveyard, the shots are kind of far away. Hope that's okay. I'm not sure what the correct way to drone shot a thing like that is, so I stayed well away. You know, I just think that's quite nice. Added a wee bit, nice bit of ground, and it saves me checking them if he keeps an eye on them. That's the end of that one, sheep fans. Short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed it. Keeping it coming through the winter months where there's not too much exciting happening and I'm scanning most days. Next big job with the sheep will really be fluke dosing them in January, and then after that is scanning. Sheep, it's an easy game, innit? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
You've been a man of action all your life.